we are going to discuss about Chapter 5, Organization Facilitating Business. On that, we are going to specifically look into NABARD and other financial institutions. Following are the objectives of this particular learning unit. First, we are going to discuss about NABARD, its overview, followed by vision, mission, and role of NABARD. Once this is understood, we will also learn about other financial institutions. Moving into this learning unit, the Reserve Bank of India, at the insistence of the Government of India, constituted a committee to review the arrangements for institutional credit for agriculture and rural development, which is called as CRAFI CARD, to look into these critical aspects, that is, the aspects relating to agricultural credit and supporting the farmers who are actually working in the primary sectors. This committee was formed on 30th March 1979 under the chairmanship of Sri B. Sivaraman, former member of Planning Commission, Government of India, to identify a feasibility of having a financial institution specifically for agricultural support. So it is now very clear that the focus of this particular financial institution is purely about agricultural credit. Please note that agricultural credit are primarily of two types. One is relating to short term, crop based. That is, you want to sow seeds, for that you require some sort of financing, and once the harvest is over, whatever the money you are going to get, you are going to repay that along with the interest, whatever they are charging. This is one type of financial assistance. The next one is about, there are times whereby you may require a long-term assistance. That is because you wanted to lease some land and you want to do your agriculture on leasehold lands. Second, you want to have some agricultural equipment like thresher, tractor, etc. For that, you require some loan assistance to the tune of 5 to 7 years. That is also getting covered here. So those are the two types of loans which this financial institution has to look into and help respective farmers. Based on this, the NABARD came into existence on 12th July 1982 by transferring the agricultural credit functions of RBI and refinance functions of the then Agricultural Refinance and Development Corporation. Please note that this is not the first financial institutions who is supporting the farmers. Earlier, we had other institutions which are actually supporting agricultural, including its refinance. The only thing is that the Government of India wanted to support the agricultural or the people who are working in the primary sector to a better position. And not only that, they want to ensure that actual benefit is actually given to the right kind of people, that is the farmers. And for that reason only, this NABARD has come into existence. It was dedicated to the service of the nation by the late Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi on 5th November 1982. We all know that Indira Gandhi is famous for nationalization of large organizations, including banks, in the year 1969 as well as in the year 1981. One of her approach was to ensure that to have a government institution to support the primary sector also, which is the reason for organizing that particular committee as well as ensuring that this particular financial institution, NABARD, is getting dedicated to the service of the nation.